Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RaHaz tutorial. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter number 11, Dear Mr. Examiner, from the book New Voices English 5. So the first question is, so I thought I would write you a letter fairly informally. A. Under what circumstances is the speaker writing the letter? Answer. The speaker is writing a letter from the examination hall as she sits doing nothing. Question B. What aspect of the letter do you think makes it informal? Answer. The letter is informal because it is written like a conversation between the student and the teacher. Next, what do you think the recipient's reaction to the letter might have been like? Answer. The recipient's face was an absolute mask after reading the letter. Next question. The clock keeps ticking away. For anyone not in the classroom, it's just another day. A. What does the speaker wish to convey about time here? Answer. The speaker conveys that the passage of time feels different to different people under different situations. If one has nothing to do, any given period of time might feel very long. Why is it just another day for anyone outside the classroom? Answer. The people outside the classroom are not under the kind of pressure that the student in the examination hall are. Next, do you agree with the speaker's descriptions of people's ordinary days? Answer. Yes, I agree with the speaker's description of people's ordinary day. I thought your questions were lovely. There is only myself to blame. A. Why does the speaker blame herself, himself? Is he right in doing so? Answer. The speaker blames himself, herself as it is only because she is unprepared and is unable to answer the questions. Why do you think the speaker calls the questions lovely? Answer. The speaker calls the questions lovely because they were easy to answer. What does the speaker say right after taking the blame? Answer. The speaker wonders if the teacher would give her some marks for writing the date and her name. Now B1. What does the student decide to do after admitting to not knowing any answer? Answer. The student decides to write a letter to the teacher about the happenings in the classroom and her state of mind. Question number 2. What does the speaker say about the different classmates? Answer. The student says that Angela Smith is copying the answers of her cuff. She also guesses that the 10 pages written by Mandy are probably frightful guff. Next question. What is Miss Quinlan doing? What is Miss Quinlan doing? Answer. Miss Quinlan is marking the students' homework. Question. How does the Miss Quinlan react to what the student has written? Answer. Miss Quinlan's face looks frozen in shock. Next question. What kind of a day is it for people not in the classroom? Answer. Away from the classroom, people are busy doing their daily work. Mother is buying groceries, Grandmother is drinking tea. A housewife hangs shirt on the line in a back garden in Sefton Road. And unemployed men are solving crossword or watching Crown Court on TV. Next, question number 6. Describe the scene outside the classroom. Answer. The sun has come off after a light rain. A class passes by to play tennis. The cathedral clock rings and the lawnmower can be heard on the hockey field. Next question. How does the student end the letter? Answer. The student ends the letter with a request to be granted some marks for writing the date and his/her name. I hope students you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.